Is your ThinkPad docking station failing to charge your laptop? The primary cause, as of late 2025, is often software incompatibility rather than hardware failure. Start by checking the USB-C cable for damage and ensure it's USB-F certified to support Power Delivery 3.1 standards. Inspect the USB-C ports on both the dock and laptop for bent pins or debris. Next, update your ThinkPad's firmware and drivers using Lenovo System Update or by downloading directly from support.lenovo.com. Verify that USB-C charging is enabled in your ThinkPad's BIOS settings, sometimes labeled as Always On USB. A common fix is to unplug the dock, hold the reset button for 10 seconds, and then reconnect it. These steps resolve over 70% of reported cases. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the charging issues, compatibility problems may be the root cause. Ensure that the docking station's firmware is compatible with your specific ThinkPad model, as Gen 2 docks often require particular laptop generations to function properly. For further assistance, Lenovo provides an AI-driven diagnostic tool on their support site since September 2025. This tool can scan the connections between your dock and laptop, then recommend specific fixes to resolve charging problems. If problems persist despite other fixes, test the docking station with another USB-C power delivery compatible laptop to isolate whether the issue is with the dock or the original laptop. Alternatively, use a multimeter to directly measure the voltage output from the dock's USB-C port. Looking ahead, USB-C power delivery technology continues to evolve. The upcoming PD 3.2 standard promises even higher wattages and improved efficiency, which should address many current charging limitations. Experts predict that by 2027, the majority of docking station issues will be resolved through over-the-air firmware updates. To minimize compatibility risks in the meantime, always use Lenovo certified cables and accessories.